No, I've got no fucking idea. I'm pleased to see that it's in fucking metric as well. See how this goes. Oh shit! I don't know what's going on there. Something's just spinning around. You're probably not knowing what you're doing. Oh, mother! Get the old. Yeah, gotcha. Woo! That was pretty easy. Nope. That'd be fucking right. You're always thinking this is going to be straightforward and I wouldn't have to stuff it too much. You'll spin me right round. Baby, right round. Oh, what's that thing do? I'll put that back in. That cable's just in the wrong. Oh, fuck it. That can stay there. So I'm going to be honest. I have no fucking idea how I'm going to get this end to stop spinning around while I'm undoing the other end. There's obviously a nut inside that. Could be time for another hernia. My plan is to probably tear that thing off. Obviously it's rat shit anyway. To be honest, the hardest part of doing this at the moment, other than these fucking things, is being a fat bastard. Getting in front and underneath these cars of shit. Does anyone know why tyres have those hairy little fucking things on them? Bald tyre, because of D-head the bastard. I'm just going to tear that thing off. What a driver in there. Get off there, you bastard. And it doesn't like have a ball bearing or some shit, like a ball head on it underneath. Uh-oh. Fuck, did I just predict that? No, you shitting me? Don't tell me it squivels like a ball. Oh no! Oh no! If I had 2 screwdrivers, 3 hands, and more coordination, I'll be able to get this off real easy, I reckon. Good at pulling shit apart, never any good at putting them back together. Yep, so it turns out there was a ball in there, but I want a big old fucking spanner like so, and then levered the frick right off. Nearly ruptured a nut and doing it. I found that. What the hell is that? It's like a hammer and a cutter. I don't know, something to open your beer can with. If anyone knows what that is, shit, let me know, because I have no idea. It should be on one of those BBC shows where they're like, oh, look at the mystery gift. Do you know what this thing is? No, I fucking don't. Anyway, I'm sure I'll need that one day. 19 mil. Ta-da! Hello, I'm Mr. 19 mil. So 19 mil on the back. Fucking leg spreaders on the front. Get over there. No, it's not going to fucking grab, it's just going to slide. No, got it. See if I can just get it on the back. Yeah, it's a good one. This is awesome fun. Yep, front beat, fuck you. Yes, alright, on the tight ass. If it wasn't a tight ass, the mechanic would be fixing it. Shit. We should really link his page in one day. He's a good bloke. I do give him shit for being fucking rich, but he does a good job. Yeah, he definitely didn't want to do it. I can see why too. He probably knew the stupid fucking ball things on there. Oh, shit. I'm gonna have a fucking heart attack. Ah, this is painful. I'm gonna pop this spanner in underneath that ball. I'm gonna get this spanner on the other end and spin it, and physics is gonna fucking win it for me. Nah. Fuck you, physics. Out the fucking window with those. In with the new ones. Let's see how we go. Don't shit me. I don't really want to grip that well either. Alright, here we go. We're going to win this time. Oh, come on, really?
3 days later.
Oh, Jesus, Christ, my arm's going to cramp. Oh, that's my good Scotch drinking arm too. You're nearly there, James. Keep going. Persist all. Oh, son. I haven't lost my marbles. Little people in my head, just hold them. Why is it tightening up again? Woo.
3 days later. 3 weeks later.
I reckon the mechanic would have this done in about half an hour. And he would have charged me for the parts. Oh, this thing's so much more worth it. Alright, slip. It slipped. Grab hold of it, you little bastard. I am not a smart man. Yeah, clearly. Why is that so hard to get undone? I was talking about physics before. Managed to wedge the little bastards up into there. And... ow. Oh! Stubborn old boss, come on! Yeah. Go fucking Leighton Hewitt on this in a minute. Come on! The young people are going, who the fuck's Leighton Hewitt? Actually really hurt my fuck. Oh. I'll be back. I haven't given up on this idea. It's kind of wedged in there again, and I'm using like the cam shade. I don't want you to miss the moment of glory, the celebration, the man overcoming machine. Here we go. Here we go. It's nearly there. Oh, don't fucking be right. No, here we go. Here we by hand. Ta-da! Oh, you fucking shiny little metal bastard. Hey! Oh, fuck, that's hot. Just started on the next one. And look at this. Took a whole lot of fucking 2 minutes. Oh, shit. Oh, you rotten sack of shit. Oh, bloody hell. Got this little doohickey. It has to go in there and there at the same time. But of course, it doesn't want to. One of those bolts longer than the other? No. What will happen if I steer the car? Nothing. I don't get it. Shit. I don't know how to make that go across. Oh, I nearly brute forced it. Hello. Here we go. Maybe a little bit of leverage. Because physics works for me every other time. Oh, so close. Oh, shit. Shit. Oh, now it's stuck. Oh, wait a second. No, here we go. Wiggle your way in just a little bit. I see you wiggle it. Oh, yep. So close. Come on. You know you wanna. It's really close, but I don't want to screw that thread. Yeah. Righto. That was a shit ton harder than I thought it was going to be. Why don't make it like that? That's fucking ridiculous. Next thing is to try and get it to line up where it should be. I should reckon that's going to be pretty fucking hard. Hopefully it's still not. Oh, it's running. Oh, gone. Here's stinking. I put this one on as well so it doesn't pull back out again. Okay, there we go. I don't know why it's decided to be friendly to me now. It was making my life harder earlier. Oh boy. The car was feeling a little bit loose, I guess, in the front end. Like, it wasn't so bad that you'd really stressed out. I only really was probably turning and going in a straight line. Anything other than that was pretty good. So I figure I've just got to get it basically tight enough to my arm clicks. Oh, that's an elbow click for sure. Oh, yep, the Tumblr went in. Territory. Thanks for hanging in there with me. I was going to try and do a clutch fluid bleed as well, but I've looked underneath the car and we've got a cover under here and I just can't be stuffed at the moment. Alright, so I've just done the clean up. All the tools are away. That's what came out of it. Of course you want to know how the car feels after all of that. Now, I'm going to be perfectly honest. I can't tell the difference at all. I guess that's why I'm an off-road rookie.